Happy Sunday, guys. It's a Sunday.
It's bloody Sunday.
We arrive in sunny Sunderland. Not sunny.
It's pissing it down with rain, guys. The only person that's happy at the moment is Mr. C. Because I'm back to being sponsored by Stella again.
Stella.
I drank enough Red Horse over the last couple of months to sink a ship, but I'm back on the Stella Trois. Anyway, this is our weekly haul. This is what my company pays for every week, guys. So I just pay for everything on the company credit card. Essentially, talk you through it.
Okay, mag-grocery haul tayo, guys. Unahin natin itong mga karne. Ayan. Ang importante, bacon. It's the bacon of Mr. C.
Sorry. For being poor. Let me get this out of your way. 18 cans. A Stella Trois.
Stella. We don't need that because it's... I don't know why we bring it up. We'll leave it in the car because you have some molds in there.
I've only got 6.
It's got one in the fridge.
6 and 2 in the fridge. 8 beers. It's not going to last for the day, let alone a week.
Yeah. Bacon, guys. 4 na pakete. Sausages. Ayan, sausages. Caramelized onions. Importante, pork, baboy. Ayan. Shoulder steak na baboy. Chicken. Chicken breast. Walang buto. No bones. Kilos is 2 kilos. Yeah, 2 kilo. Pork is... Oh. It won't say how many kilos is this. No. It said 6 pieces.
Half a pig.
Half a pig. It's not half a pig, guys. And chicken legs. 1 kilo. Chicken legs. For sandwiches, chicken trimmings. With herbs. Ito, chicken trimmings with smoke. Chopped tomatoes.
Be a good husband and help you start putting some.
Then, 2 rice. Rice is life, guys. Rice is life. Hindi mawawala yung rice natin. At pangalawang bag, pizza. Pizza. This is the dinner of Mr. C. Pizza. Oh. And potato dauphinoise. How to read it this way?
Dauphinoise.
Dauphinoise. I like this too. With the cheese on the top. And I got spring roll. Chicken spring roll. 6 large. And 6 dark bao buns. It goes here. And 2 cheese. 2 cheese. For the sandwich of Mr. C. A bag of frozen chips.
Filipinos have rice. English like fries, chips, potato.
And 2 milks. Coconut juice. And another one here. Another bag. 2 sub cheese in herb for sandwich of Mr. C.
Metro soap with cheese and herb.
Yeah.
That's actually
And 2 great coconut yogurt.
yogurt.
Oh, crisp. Spinach. Beans. And pepperoni cheese for sandwich of Mr. C. Oh my goodness. Another coffee, guys. Guatemalan ground coffee. And 1 coffee.
I'm taking them to work for my 1980s coffee machine.
We've got so many in the house. Lemons. Ginger. Luya, guys, luya. Sweet corn.
Loads of that. Stock up.
And lemon herb peri-peri. Is Mr. C like this? And garlic peri-peri for the kids. Sausawan. And basil pasta sauce for the
That's my meatballs.
meatballs. Okay.
Curry.
Curry. Garden peas. Rosemary for the and turmeric. I want turmeric as well because I need some time. That one, turmeric. Another chopped tomato, guys. Another milk. Yan. And lots of water. We need water. Even Mr. Sinobo drink, I'll drink them.
I don't drink water. There's a very simple reason, guys. Think about it. Think. Water. What swims in water? Fish. What do fish do in water?
Swim.
They piss.
Right.
So why drink something that the fish have pissed in?
And another pepperami selection, guys. Yan. Another bag. Eggs, itlog. Medium one. Normally we buy the large one.
Yeah, we do.
And mushroom, guys.
Because there's not much room for anything else.
Boom, boom. Aubergine, talong, guys. And bell pepper. And another coffee. Never run out of coffee.
Point to work.
Fruit pastel for Mr. C. My Ribena things. I like those. Caesarea. Another milk. We never run out of milk. I don't know how many milk we have in the house.
Taking some of those to work as well, guys.
And fruit pastel. Cheese and cheddar mix. Cheese. Mozzarella for the pizza. Meatballs for Mr. C. He love those for the sauce. Another oil. I don't know how many oils we have in the house. Can't count anymore. And 2 coconut juice. Here we go. Large, extra large, bold, washing.
You've got enough of that stuff already.
We have so many in the house. Okay, I put them in the balikbayan and some conditioners. You know, I put them in the balikbayan box as well. I don't know how I can count anymore how many have we got that one. Bread.
Oh, yeah.
No pandesal. You can get pandesal. Cheese roll.
Here's the sandwiches.
Croissant. Another sub for Mr. C. Eggs. Scotted eggs. It is the Scotted eggs, guys. Yan. Yan is Scotted eggs.
Scottish egg.
Yeah.
Now this is the bit that I never understand. Scottish eggs must come from Scottish manuk. Okay? If you look at these, they're not smooth.
Rough.
That must be really, really painful for the manuk in Scotland to put out their ass.
No. I don't know what you're saying. This is perswari naan
Peshwari naan.
and 2 normal one.
That means it's got coconut in it.
It's got coconut and normal naan. It's nice with the curry. And pancakes. Another spring roll, guys, large one. Another coffee. Another sugar. Sugar, coffee. Onions. 3 large onions, 3 garlics. Look, ang lalaki ng bawang. Ang lalaki ng bawang. Not like the Philippines, very small. Carrots, chilies, and lentils. Yellow. May munggo tayo. And the last bit is chicken dippers. Yan po ang natin, grocery haul natin yan. Chicken dipper, chicken nuggets. Yan. You know, this is our shopping haul for today, Sunday. How much we spend, Mr. C?
Too much. But it doesn't matter because the company paid for it, guys.
How much it is?
It is £188.87. Nearly all the eights. We should have spent another penny. £188.87.
Yeah. But we have loads though, anyway. So you will see loads of stuff we have anyway. Look at this. Everything in the kitchen thing. All the way up there. Look, see? All the way, all the meats and everything.
Yeah, we've got to try and fit it in this
little fridge.
What have you left in the freezer?
Yeah, little fridge.
We've got a bit of room.
Little fridge we have.
There's not a lot of room in there, guys.
This is
Well,
our.
don't worry, because I'll start drinking this beer and make a bit more room for us, babe, because I'm all heart.
That's all
We've got more room for the food, so.
That's all our shopping, guys. All the way up there, all the way up there. It cost us £188.87,
No, it
guys.
didn't cost us a penny,
Because company pay for it.
because I'm worth it.
Yeah, so it's like if you convert to peso,
1,800. Oh,
£188.
hang on, I can do this.
Calculated, guys.
Wait a minute. 100 and. What did I say it was?
188.
188.79. That's right. Times
79.60.
79.60 gives us 15,027 pesos, guys, for the weekly shopping.
Yeah.
That's good because we didn't pay for any.
It's free, guys, for the
free.
company pay for it. So this is our shopping haul, guys, for this week. So, and Mr. C happy because already got Stella Artois.
Beautiful wife. Stella Artois.
Not red horse, not red horse, guys.
So Stella, if you're out there watching and you want to sponsor the channel, just keep supplying me lots of this stuff and we'll keep making videos, okay?
Salamat po, salamat sa panonood.
Thank you.
Thank you
Bye.
for all subscribers, guys. Paalam.